Here's I will show you the most easiest way to start multi-stream using your OBS. So first of all, go to your OBS and under sources, go ahead and add your video and audio sources. Then go to your browser and you have to come to this website restream.io and here create a free account. Now from home, click on new stream. And here create a new stream, select encoder RTMP, and here title I'm giving multi-stream, and you can just go ahead and write a description. And here select a date and time to start your multi-streaming. And if you want to change thumbnail, you can just go ahead and add here a thumbnail for your stream and click on next. And here we have to add our multi-platform. So click on add channels. And here you will get all available social media accounts. So in my case, I'm adding Twitch and YouTube. So I'm clicking on Twitch and clicking on connect to Twitch, clicking on authorize. And that's it. I have successfully added my Twitch account. Going back from here. And now under this channel, I have to enable my YouTube and my Twitch account. So if you want to add to stream to multiple platforms, just go ahead and enable multiple platforms in this list. Now click on create event. And here we can see RTMP settings. Here is my RTMP URL and stream key. So I'm just copying my RTMP URL and going to my OBS and clicking on settings, selecting stream, clicking on service, and here select custom. In the server box, paste the server that we just copied. Then copy the stream key and in this box, paste your stream key, click on apply and OK. Now I'm opening my YouTube and my Twitch. And then I'm going to my OBS and just clicking on start streaming. Here you can see my streaming successfully started. Now I'm going to my YouTube and here as you can see my OBS successfully started to stream on my YouTube and going to my Twitch. And we can see the same video is now streaming on my Twitch also. And here is now in my restream.io website, and now from here you can just go ahead and you can control your live stream from this website. So here the easiest way to stream from OBS to multiple platforms at once. Thanks for watching.